Say hello to Macy, a proud UNOH alum from Muncie, Indiana. With a business administration degree with a focus on marketing and a lifelong passion for racing, Macy's journey is proof that UNOH helps students turn dreams into thriving careers, both on and off the track. Macy, tell us your inspiring story.
Thank you, Alex. Hey everyone, I've been drag racing since I was 13, so I knew I wanted to build a life around the things I was passionate about. Racing taught me a lot: discipline, focus, and how to think fast, but I also knew I needed a strong foundation outside of the track. I wanted an education that supported my goals long term, whether I stayed in the racing industry or shifted gears entirely, and that's what led me to University of Northwestern Ohio. UNOH stood out because it offered the perfect mix of hands-on education and real-world experience, especially in the industries I already loved. As a business administration student with a focus in marketing, I found so many ways to get involved. I joined the American Marketing Association, worked in admissions, became a racer leader, and ran the Rotaract Club, which focuses on service and community engagement. Those roles shaped me into a confident communicator and leader, and they've opened the door to friendships and professional connections that have reached far beyond campus, even across the globe. What made UNOH different for me was how it turned my passions into a launching pad for a career. I wasn't just learning marketing, I was living it. From giving campus tours to representing the university at events, I was able to tell stories, build a brand, and find my voice. I realized I can use those same storytelling and strategies in the racing industry and beyond. After graduation, I went on to lead marketing at my family's racing engine building business, and now I focus on another passion of mine as the marketing director for a mental health counseling center. UNOH helped me turn my passions into a lifelong career, and I could not be more grateful. And that's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Wow, Macy, from the racetrack to leading a mental health center's marketing team, your journey shows how the University of Northwestern Ohio builds students flexible, real-world skills that can take graduates anywhere. Thank you for showing us how passion and education go hand in hand here. Take care, Macy.